All right. Thanks for joining me again today. Want to share a little bit of an update on what's happening on the Clinical AI Academy website. So my name is Ahmed Nazal, and we're trying to kind of build a community around the topic of clinical AI and to increase the awareness of AI literacy. So I mentioned in the previous video more about the functionalities of the website, but today I will focus on a recent advancement or recent addition, which is this clinical AI resource space. So it says basically a Notion page. So you can access it from the website clinicalaiacademy.com, from the blog again, and then you can click on this, or you can visit the Notion page directly, and you can see on the Notion page itself, it's a repository, like a space, and it is meant to be an open and inclusive space. So no matter what, if you're a clinician, no matter what stage of your career, researcher, student, engineer, developer, or simply curious about the space of clinical medical AI, you are more than welcome here. So the goal is to build a shared library, a community of people who are interested in this topic, and build future collaboration, talks, journal clubs, and research projects. So if you feel like contributing, please visit contact or reach us, send an email to contact@clinicalaiacademy.com, or use the resource suggestion form. So you just fill out the form and you can tell us about resources you want us to know about or you want the community to know about. So this page, you find a lot of many links that I thought this is a start. So this is a growing list. As I said, you can share the resources with the community by using this form, and I will add them. So the starter kit is like 3 resources or courses for now, but I think there are more, and if you know more, let me know in the comments or in the section or through the website. In any way, just let me know about them and be happy to add them. So I know of this Elements of AI, which is a course from the University of Helsinki, and it's a free online introduction to AI in general. And then there is the course on the Academy's website, and this is like 4 modules. You take them and you can get a certificate all for free. And then there is an interesting course from Google on generative AI for healthcare specifically. So this is a free course that demystifies generative AI, equipping healthcare professionals with skills to apply these tools. And you can get started, get the certificate from whatever, Google for Health, for Digital Medicine, Academy, Learners. So just great resources for learning. Right, and then there are a list of YouTube videos or playlists that you could learn a lot from Stanford, from many great universities. And again, it's a growing list. If you know more of interesting YouTube videos on the topic, let me know and we can add them. Also, I added a section for what I think are key papers and reviews. I will be adding more, but this is a start of the papers that I know of that I think they are important, or like a good starting point to get a sense of the field. And then there are talks and presentations like this workshop from Stanford on basics of large language models and prompt engineering. I think it's an interesting video. and some conversations with Jeffrey Hinton, Eric Topol, and others. So we will be adding here. And then there are some data sets that you can use to develop your own AI tools. And I hope at one point we will be hosting like webinars and like workshops, like developing AI tools online together. Like even if that takes like an hour or two, like we can see how is this really done online, so you get a sense of how what is AI for real, or what is clinical AI. So these are, for example, data sets on medical imaging, and then clinical natural language processing, and then for electronic health records and time series, also data sets that you could use to develop models for those topics. And finally, like this is the idea, maybe we end up like researching or collaborating on future projects. For example, I have this preprint published and it is gaining some traction, like being downloaded, being viewed, and where I discuss like an idea or a perspective that current large language models or current AI models in AI are not that suitable, so we need to move to more cognitive based models. So just an idea as a starting point. And as I said, this is the whole idea is that to collaborate, to increase engagement, to learn more, to learn together and build this community or the space in a safe, kind of welcoming, friendly, no hierarchy, no kind of like gatekeepers, just like anyone who's curious, willing to put in the effort, you're more than welcome. So then that's the idea here. I would like to invite you also to take part of the journal club, where we present papers, preprints, and maybe host experts or the authors themselves to learn more about their work and achievements. So don't forget, register here. So you could so I can reach you back and like send you the invitation. You can also join us on YouTube. Right now the channel has YouTube where this video will be hosted, so you can write comments there, and then you can watch also the introduction video. So there will be a section of where we have more videos. So right, so this is all part of the website, theclinicalaiacademy.com, and right, and so that's the update for today, and hope to see you in the next videos. Thank you.